Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all well. So today I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 foundations, and these are foundations that I do absolutely love. We are going to start with this foundation from Inglot. I had done a video using this foundation the other day. This is number 92. When I had done my photo shoot for my magazine, the makeup artist used everything from Inglot on my face. This is such a beautiful foundation. Perfect undertone, because the undertone for my skin is red, so I'm always looking for that reddish, that slight reddish undertone, and perfect fit for my skin. So next I do have this foundation from Morphe. This is F3 120 matte foundation. This is a fluidity full coverage foundation. A little bit higher red undertone, but still works perfectly for my skin. I had used this foundation in a makeup in a video recently, and it works really well. I just have to go in with a much lighter concealer just to balance everything out, but the red undertone is absolutely perfect for my skin. One of my favorites. So next I do have this foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. I had just done a video not too long ago using this foundation. It is a good one, and I'm really surprised that I can actually find a foundation from Charlotte Tilbury to match my skin, because I remember not too long ago there was this big controversy about Charlotte Tilbury not having shades to match women of color and all of this stuff, but surprisingly this one fits me perfectly. I absolutely love this foundation. So next I do have this foundation from Estee Lauder. This is the double wear. This is in rich chestnut. I don't have anything much to say about this foundation. It's absolutely perfect for my skin, and I can wear this foundation in the summertime and I can wear this in the fall. Perfect for my skin as well. This one is from Bobbi Brown, and this one is Almond. Perfect foundation for my skin. Perfect undertone. Very close to the Morphe F3 120. The red undertone is just about the same for me for this one from Bobbi Brown. Again, this one is in the shade Almond. Beautiful foundation for my skin. And again, this is one of those foundations I can wear any time of the year. It is absolutely gorgeous and fits perfectly for my skin. And last but not least, I do have my foundation here from Loreal Paris. This is Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in Hazelnut. I love this foundation as well. I wear this foundation all summer, and my skin was just absolutely perfect with this foundation. Of course, you have to go in with your powders and your skin prep, etc., but this is a beautiful foundation and I love it so much. Now this foundation is very close to Charlotte Tilbury's when it comes to the undertone. Perfect for my skin. And that's it for my 6 favorite foundations, my friend. I'm going to leave the names of these foundations in the description box for you. If you do have my skin tone, these foundations are going to fit you perfectly. Everything is going to be listed there for you, and I do hope you enjoyed this video today. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe before you go. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.